saying about? Yo, what are the viewers are saying about the hair?
It's not fucking red hair.
Man, and I got that and I done it.
I be like, oh my. Never met a girl like you before in my life. Wanna settle down with you, kick back, be my wife. Wake up with no makeup, so fine. Kiss up on them lips, get this play shine. Dip, go down, dip, girl wine. Yeah, she bad with it, like one of a kind. Okay, never met a girl like you before in my life. Wanna settle down with you, kick back, be my wife. Wake up with no makeup, so fine. Kiss up on them lips, girl, it's playtime. Dip, go down, dip, girl wine. Yeah, she bad with it, like one of a kind.
I got too many old habits, still whipping up Yola, use no magic. Sipping rum with no cola while the phone's banging. Girl wanna give me dome, leave her throat damage. She know she fucking with a don, she is so savage. Baby girl, what you on, let me know rapid. Sing along to my song while I dick you down. Feel it all up in your belly, baby, don't panic. Don't panic, there's no rush. Sipping on Cavassier, but get so boss. The way we fuck, baby girl, that's grown up. Push your legs way back to your shoulders. And you know what I do to the pussy, girl. That shit forget torn up. I said you know what I do to the pussy, girl. That shit forget torn up, ayy.
Never met a girl like you before in my life.
Barnsley
Hashtag vlog 32.
Yo,
and we're back again.
We're hitting George Barnsley and Sons factory. To us though, is it? That's us paying our respect. Just in time,
Bam, jumped in a taxi anyway. We're on his way towards this location.
Fucking flip, we're
getting.
Yo, we will get in because I'm here.
Because Luke's here.
Therefore get in.
Silly boy, that's definitely her. Now we're climbing fruit bushes again.
Oh look at this.
I know this is right fucking way.
No.
And we're in George Barnsley and Sons, Sheffield.
Barnsley and fucking Sons, mate.
No Luke, don't start doing that bro in factories or lock come down on you. See him, he came straight in and started tugging on that.
Idiot.
Shut up about idiot.
It isn't, oh we're here.
Easier again.
Yep.
Bro! Like an old classroom, like with fucking Big Ben.
Oh yeah.
Big cogs and that.
Yo.
What did this used to be then, bro?
George Barnsley and Sons.
You what?
George Barnsley and Sons.
Yeah, but what did he?
Yeah, we're in George Barnsley and Sons factory, yeah? We're later to find out what it was used for, yeah? But stay tuned, yeah, and hopefully we'll find out what it's used for just for you guys, yeah?
Now these obviously would have been all old machinery that would have actually made or produced whatever were made and produced in here at one point. And this definitely would have been part of factory and part of machinery that would have helped it. But you're getting a nice little picture of this place in here.
Using my boxes as my fucking toilet roll.
So what I'm going to do for this one, viewers, is I'm going to cover every single room for you.
Yeah, of course.
It's part of the vlog, I'm going to do it.
Now, we're right excited to do this, yeah? What's this, Daniel?
Yo, mad thing.
Oh, it's an entrance.
One sec, viewers, I just can't get me like that.
I've
We've just been to the roof anyway. Obviously, you've seen pictures that I've given you up there, some nice fillers and that now already.
Short toilets, bro. Old toilets.
Yeah.
Just let me go and get good at cars, eh?
Good at shit house.
Old toilets. There's not one toilet in them.
Wait a minute, my focus ain't right.
Give me that light.
Deep downstairs.
Bro, you don't know how old this is.
Fair old.
Look at the fucking toilet, bro. Look out, no. Just look out,
I know
no.
it's like a cowboy though. Is any brother?
It's just one of them blocks,
I need
planks of wood.
More toilets.
Bruv,
I
look
got
how bad. Look how old it is. It's proper just holes in floor.
Old urinals.
I need some bog roll here, I'll have a shit straight in there.
Fucking use a dolly.
Old toilets. Now we're just cubby fruit middle bit anyway.
Come downstairs, yeah. Or should we just walk through and then come down?
Yeah, do that after, innit?
Might
shall
as
we
well,
just
haven't
cut
we?
it?
Just cover it all around here and then
As we're going round.
go steady, boys.
Oh, it's really dark here, bro.
Hey.
Can't see whoa.
Whoa, what the hell is that? Sewers or something?
Oh, look how far that. Right, don't even got that.
I bet you can get up other side, innit?
Yeah, you can. Oh, there's another down. Round it.
1 second. See what goes down here.
Brad, let me
Have a look.
go in your bag. See if this has got battery.
Yo.
Wow. Oh look. Oh my god, there's another upstairs. Where's
It's
this gone to? Shall I
been
try?
locked off, bro.
What? Can't lie.
It's locked off, bro.
What? No entry at all?
No. Come, we need to show them this. Yeah, that just goes in rooms on rooms on rooms.
Yeah, give me let me try you, mate. See if this lights on.
Got a bit.
You can't while you're walking about. You'd be
Right, we're
kidding.
gonna go in them other rooms.
You what?
I want to go through that tunnel, though.
Now we're going even deeper into this underground part. There's some tunnels.
Old boiler.
Yeah, bit old boiler room. I'm not climbing through there. No point. No, it's only boiler room. Don't be.
A bit scared.
Absolutely shook, bruv.
You scared, wasn't it? Oh my god, look at this treasure box. Look at that.
Treasure box. See my breath look, it's that cold down here. Yo bro, look at my breath look.
Yeah. But it's not like that upstairs.
Exactly.
Fucking hell, you can see it when Kyle's there.
I can't even see.
Can you see now?
That's where I got him from.
Materia.
I know. It'd have been running, duck down and running to
That's my plan.
Yeah.
Taking you through here. I'll keep showing you old building anyway and go through old places. Show you in here. This obviously would have been another workstation for it. Oh yes. Maybe a storage area, or maybe where they fix stuff or manufactured stuff. It could have been many reasons, many resource reasons for it. Come. Coming out of here anyway. Show you around it all, make sure I get everything. Oh. It is a big vlog, I told you that.
Oh, well, look where they've got a big roof on here.
Them big old wooden beams above us
Big
right
roof.
there.
Look at that for a bolt, bro. Imagine that would go in it roof behind you. Look at that for a bolt, fam. Imagine.
That would have been holding roof at one
Holding
time.
roof, yeah. There'll have been one
You
of
can
them.
see with
18.
triangular there. See how it's triangular, it would have been a roof.
So we're going in here. Yeah.
But that's what I mean, you're getting literally a first person view of what it'd be like to work in here back in the day.
I'm telling you now, I wouldn't have liked to work in here because this place looks fucking confusing.
It looks confusing, old, and one of them like old creepy buildings you'd turn up to.
Well, they've obviously tried renewing it, yeah, and doing something weird, bro, but they obviously can't.
Yeah, because there's no wind from
Everything.
Oh, that's that part we walked
Where's
past.
this go to?
Another old room.
Oh yeah, we walked past it.
Didn't we? Of course I am. Of
Yeah,
course I
look,
am.
new slates and that they're just trying to use. They obviously couldn't do it with the place. But it was too loose.
Obviously crumpled in on them too quickly.
No room for offer it.
It's where they probably did textile side of things.
Yeah, woodwork and stuff.
And obviously they just stored stuff in there.
Yeah.
Light bulb on top. Oh, there's not much in this part to be fair. Anyway, back through we go. So as for now, let's try and liven up a bit. Showing you through there, showing you up there, being on roof up there. Explain roof to, well, what happened up there with that roof. Showing you in here.
And there's still all this to go.
Still all this.
Oh. This
We'll
is
get
gonna
through
be
it.
a good one.
Be a good vlog.
I hope we can get upstairs today to these rooms.
Yeah, we can.
Hopefully,
Stairs are right there, bro.
Yeah, yeah. I hope we can.
We'll get her up there.
I ain't got that much muscle.
Is it ever?
Never.
Is it really?
But yeah, you hold it up in air like that.
There you sniff up, that would definitely woodworks. That would definitely woodworks, bro. He's got that smell. Just like you could get lost in.
Get that graffiti.
Old clock on floor, smashed to pieces. That would have been saving people time when they'd have worked here, that.
Yep.
Of course it would have.
People staring at that itching, oh my god.
Bricked off.
Proper thought we could have got somewhere then.
That's got to be something on it there.
Bro, there's something blocking down there. Something. That's blocking something, that goes down that. Like.
Yep, definitely. Let's go through anyway, see what Kyle just adventured off into. What's it here, Kyle?
And then, well, there's one here. Yeah, but this is where they'll be not grinding and some machinery.
What, is there any bitches in there grinding?
That is an old sander or an old grinder. Yeah.
Yeah, that just shuts down.
Reboot it all and that. What's that say?
Oh, look at that. Lots fell through in there. All roofs come in. Walls fell down on top. Oh, yeah. That there, right there, is one of the heating bulbs. So obviously what they will have been doing in this building at one point.
Wow.
Give you a quick look.
Can you get in straight away?
So it's gone over there. That's another factory area apparently. Are you sure it's another factory, or are you sure it's not just
You know, is it
part of this factory?
part of this, bro?
Because we're having to watch out, because that wall looks like it's crumbling above you, Kyle. And if it drops under you, you're fucked. Does it go long?
Nah, this is different, this, bro.
Is it big?
Yeah, massive.
Let me climb through here, viewers. That's the hole we've just squeezed through anyway from George and Barnsley and Sons factory. Let's just quickly show him round here then and get back into the other one, because we don't even know what this is. It looks like where they're storing waste or something. But could have been part of George and Sons and Barnsley factory at one point. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. But we'll check it out anyway. Old buildings down here that obviously would have been offices towards factory. That they've done all paperwork and sorting out of the place itself. Just nearly slipped. Been smashed to pieces in there. Great slipper. This black stuff here. Whoo! Slip on that. You are going down with glass up your arse. Test kits or something it says on there. Look at state. Old Game Boy. Hey, hey. Look at that old game feel here. Anyone recognise that game? A few more in there as well.
Oh wait, this is that fucking
Keep showing you around.
Scotland House as well.
Obviously would have been another part of office area.
Oh no, it's not main entrance, it's just toilets. Were they toilets as well?
No, this isn't that part, this isn't. This is storage area.
They're like little cells. The little rooms with tables in, it's like a cell.
Sure.
Might have been like a
Yeah.
toilet with a board on top of it. Fucking hell.
Sorry guys, false info in, sorry guys. Not apologise. I got overexcited.
Making bear noise. Security are going to be coming. We're going to be getting rushed out. Where are these pool tables, what you said?
Yo, you silly little ginger bastard, yeah? Don't ever tell me you're coming on a vlog ever again, yeah, and then pussy it out.
A 3-foot wall and
Faggot!
you even jump over a fence.
Faggot,
You're a pussy.
Pussy fam. You heard that fam. You heard that bro, bum liquor. Yo man, right, Matt Ginge came to a fucking 4-foot wall and couldn't clear it. Say no more, brother. No more explodes for you.
The fact that he kicked as well, he could have waited a couple of rounds for us.
No,
know,
I mean, he didn't even give the wall a chance. He didn't even get a chance, mate, yeah? Listen, Kyle, you seen that stubby little fat cunt over there, yeah? Yeah, he's a little cheese stump, mate. He was bigger than the wall, yeah? And the little lanky ginger bastard wouldn't even dare jump
listen
it.
to this,
Little
though.
pussy hole, yeah? He's meant to be a fucking next Bruce Lee out here. Fuck off. More
You know
like
what it is, yeah?
More like next fucking...
Calls himself an urban explorer. As soon as I say, oh, don't jump over that fence, there's someone looking behind us who's like, yeah, they are, you know. There is, you know.
That was funny, that. Oh, let's keep taking you around this place anyway after that rant.
That old snooker table.
Aye, footy. We're having a game of footy, or
Yeah,
what?
kick that, Kyle.
And let's control
Pool
this.
tables.
Get that then. Go on. Get that white wall.
This is it.
He's not scared of YouTube anymore.
Right.
No, I don't know how far we're through in this video because it's not been made yet, but this isn't even half of the shit we're gonna see, yo. It's fucking massive. Should we get up room?
Luke's going upstairs.
Oh shit, wrong angle. Fucking use half a step.
Fam, what you're getting up to though.
What? No, just no.
You can see what you're getting up
Well, you said get up here. And the king of the castle in
So,
Yeah, no, you were up.
we're out here now anyway. We've done this part in here. We're going to continue through to that George and Barnsley and Sutton's factory.
This was just a little bit of extra for you guys.
Extra. Or maybe it's
Extra.
storage room, one over.
This should be
It was
going
some,
on.
it was some.
Inside extra, but we're gonna give you a special treat and put it on.
Special
top.
treat.
Shut up, Kyle, you're
Back
not
through the
dedicated to vlogging.
Going. Oh my god.
I don't know how to zoom, that's it, that's how you zoom.
I'm spending too much time over in all this hole. No, I didn't eat. Whoa. Now we're back into this compartment now.
I'm gonna wear that fucking
Oh, Jesus.
jacket again,
Oh,
innit?
good
Yeah, but
goodness.
then I realised I've got the bottoms on, so why not wear no jacket, innit?
I've got that bang changer.
It's just my vlogging tracksuit, yeah? Fresh, but fucked. Faff.
Join the crew, bro.
Fresh as fuck.
This is the biggest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Oh my god.
Keeps going on, doesn't it?
From this, who's scrapping? Yeah. Yo, bruv, look at them steel beams, bro. Imagine them collapsing on you.
Be in trouble, wouldn't you?
Left hand side now.
Look at that, yeah, we've literally done half of the building, yeah. Let's go outside, it's dark.
You know what it is, guys? I'll tell you now. I'll be honest. Before I
Daniel, you're only saying something because you've had a bit of alcohol down.
You know what? You know what it is?
My friend like that, you little prick. Friend like that, you little prick. You like that, you little prick.
Yes, Lou.
Now it's got to go on vlog, innit?
Where you going, mate? There's 2 rooms here, you silly prick. You silly prick. Fuck off. What you doing in your own little vlog?
He's doing his own. Don't give a fuck.
He's something else of exploring inside, mate. He's got exploring inside extra.
Extra.
Please, give me some lights.
Why?
Oh, why is he another fucking
Lick it. You lick it, look. That's fence. That's ambulance.
Right, man, all now we're out into the middle of the factory. Still got a tiny bit of daylight, starting to go dark. Give a quick glimpse of this middle part before we dive into the next parts, because I can see quite a few more rooms and a few floors anyway, look. It does go up quite high. These 2 guns here, look. Gun number 1
Hey, look at air, though.
and gun number 2.
What are you saying about? Yo, what are the viewers are saying about the air?
It's not fucking red hair.
Fam, and I got that, and I done it.
Alright, let's check in here anyway after that beautiful headlock. It's obviously another part of the factory where they've been working away doing the things of
Not
bricks.
gonna ruin your head, bro.
You with rich and murder
Oh my god, there he look. There he are.
I'm here.
He's here.
Is he on?
Look, eggs.
Where?
Right in front of your
Dinosaur
eyes.
eggs. What?
Right in front of your eyes.
They're not eggs, that's a packet of eggs.
6 luxury minge pot. Oh, you don't. You're making me hungry.
Well, look at a bit of wood.
Someone's been in here eating mince pies. 6 luxury mince
Does
pies.
that look stupid, right? Or does it look alright?
What's that say?
Does it look...
It looks better.
Working cane, C5, 1997. So that says on that piece of wood. Look,
Having a conversation.
right, we're going to have your conversation out there.
Fuck
We'll
off,
explain it to viewers, or fuck off. Simple, innit? Working cane, C5, 1997. So that piece of wood there and that tag there is from 1997 alone. 1 year after I was born.
Just that.
I'd have been 1 year old in 1997.
What, were you 96?
Yeah.
I'm 93.
2 after me, I'm 95.
I'm 93.
Yep.
Over that, like, what's the... On the actual thing on the plaque.
What are you going to do with you?
Fucking chicken. So, still got to be...
Let's keep mooching.
Nah, it's just one big yellow.
Boys.
Oh, do you know when I'm doing it? How many bits?
Training.
I've got about 10 eggs.
Yeah, I know, I've not seen them earlier. I thought it was dandruff.
Round 2, boys. 2nd floor.
How many going this way?
Yeah, but we'll cover this building. We've just come in bottom end now.
We've only done this side, bro. We've not done all this side, oh yeah?
No, not now. Sure, he's just said let's go up here.
I know. This is the 2nd floor right here anyway, people. So the building that we've just come into on the 1st floor, this is the 2nd floor to that building.
Oh, fucking hell, it's big, this fucking thing.
Fucking Jesus Christ, mate.
Yo, wait, watch out, bro.
We'll be seeing changes in future.
They're looking in the window, man. Turn your light off. Turn your light off.
Yo.
Can't you see that over there? Turn your light off, it's there.
Over there?
Yeah.
An actual paper from
that's
1997
a sort of
right
page
there.
bird, but on the main page.
Take you through it here anyway.
Some next room.
This is obviously where they would have been organising stuff and storing stuff within this top
Isn't
compartment.
that like a prison there?
And it's blah blah blah.
And then it goes up again. And then it goes up again. And then it goes up again.
Look at all old handle now. They're old handles. There, right there on the floor would have been old handles for knives, forks or whatever they would have made back in day, etc. in here. Definitely. 100% big knife handles, fork handles, spoon handles. And they go all the way upstairs, there's another upstairs and all. Looks quite fragile. Long beak. French glazing. There's all sorts in here then. I've seen American style type blades, French style type blades, English style type blades. And it goes off down there. Floor's going in over here, it's damp and it's wet. Didn't look very safe in here, but yeah, you're getting a good picture up here anyway. Let's go and see where they are. What? I'm at top part. But yeah, this is definitely another workstation where they'd have been putting stuff in order. And they're coming back round. Yo.
Yo.
One sec, bro.
I need a piss again.
Yo, this floor is actually really dead.
You should do it and everyone would be like, how much time has he pissed?
Trust me.
Trust me. I'll turn my camp now. See how sharp this is then, Luke. Come here. What nearly actually got you weekend. Oh, come here, just check it out, you know.
Yeah. Let me show you next. Oh shit!
Let's go 3rd floor.
Oh, look, there's some ladder noise. That's a show.
Nice. The shelves. Old fire alarms in there.
Not in there.
Yeah, no. Oh.
Yeah.
Well, we did come here in daylight, people, but
Why?
The tour of the den. I've just jumped from there to here, yeah? Come and stand on there and feel it.
I can feel it, I can see it.
chill out.
I can see it.
I've just had to jump from there to on here, bro. I shit myself. Some like Resident Evil shit.
Resident Evils. Up there, look.
Let's go.
Are we going up there, yeah?
Look, 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 look.
Oh, them? TNTs?
No, these are the old handles for the knives and
Oh,
stuff.
yeah.
Watch out, I'm sure it's a dead bird there.
Bro, these stairs are a bit spooky.
But anyway,
Look at that, a more modernised one. Black leather.
don't be coming up banging, Luke. These are right weak and wet.
One of them is, it feels right with you.
Yeah, I've just stood on it. What was that?
Drop this up.
Up onto a 3rd floor. Up close, slanting.
Everything, it feels like it's going to collapse.
Yo, the roof has collapsed there. Does feel like it's going to collapse, doesn't it?
Look at this. And then another upstairs.
Another one.
Oh, actually, this is by...
Another upstairs. You kidding?
Wow. Oh, wow.
Keeps going up
You
and
get
up and
full
up and up.
experience here, lad.
We'll come down and check that out in a second, viewers. Going up into attic now. Hey bro, what are you doing? If that goes through the floor,
Yeah, I'm moving it.
it'll take all the floor down. Yeah, did you hear
That
that?
already took floor down, bro. That's what we're in that gap. You want me to walk along it?
No,
Can
we're
we
in
check
roof,
viewers?
people. No, it's alright, it's only got today, bro.
What's this? There's like a door window in it. Like one of
Yeah.
them where you have half a door.
Hey. He's done it again. Falling
Yeah,
down
old
fucking
Steve,
stairs.
Bruh.
Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm sweet.
Are you sure?
Bruh, I'm sweet, man. The only thing that happened, I lost my slider.
They did just went down a few stairs, but
That'd hurt, that though.
it would have still. I'd have been like, ah, you bastard.
Where?
Up in
That's
attic.
because you're right steep, bro. That's why you fell down him. I'm nearly falling down him.
No, it's because you've had the liquor.
Alright, yeah?
I'm getting down, I'm just fine. So I'm not a goon.
Only thing, yeah, I just got a shot from.
Now I'm gonna go and show him no here anyway, me.
Yeah, I didn't even. I caught myself with the elbow.
Yo!
Yeah, the arm was on me, so I got off on step. No, I caught myself. Bro, this is too big, this. Massive. These are like lockers.
Trust me.
They are, aren't they?
Yeah, like they'd have had like olden days, like they'd have had a bit of fucking padlock going through it, shut both doors. What's that? Yeah.
I'm
I'm
going
gonna say
on.
we're not just gonna hang on it. Yeah. There it is, exactly. There it is.
More stuff in here.
Oh my god, you've got right for gear, guys. You don't want to be coming here. This is stairs, yeah. Them stairs that I just showed you where it just ends.
More working stations, even old stool what they used to sit on. Old stool where they'd work, little furnace that goes straight up, look.
Okay.
Ha, proper piece of Sheffield's history in here.
Right, I'm logging, Brad. Let me video.
Take you back through here anyway, I've shown them this little part. When I kept his quotes, etc. I worked in here.
You know, Brad?
Another room. This factory goes on forever.
It's obviously where stairs were, but it's collapsed. Just how high we've come.
Should I just jump for the vlog?
No, not even for the vlog, just for.
Let me have a look.
Careful, bro. What's that noise?
Me with this bar, moving it.
Yo, that's a drop that.
Sick, right in it. Shall I try and come round to you?
Old steel beams.
Yeah, it's easy to get round, but don't get through there. But safe way, man.
It's mad, innit? Diving straight across it.
I'd rather take.
Straight downstairs,
Look, that is
everything.
the proper old locker.
Aye,
bro.
got old shovel, look. Old nice piece of history there.
Yeah. Well, lockers like an American locker, bro. Locker too.
Oh, just got me.
What got your letter?
Who's been doing jumps off of this?
You, obviously, you smack it.
You.
Oh my god, someone's definitely done something for that.
I know.
Fed pump. Oh, fed pump. Oh, that's fuck that. Whoa.
He's gonna kill his son here.
I'm not even gonna lie. Stand on that. Yeah, I know, I rate you still. Stand on that though, you just slide. Someone's definitely jumped through that, you're trying to get rid
know, that's what I'm thinking.
That's why that little patch is there, it's a new bit of roof, so they fell through it.
Where?
Look, there. Well, they've obviously fell through it, bro, that's why that one patch is there. Am I wrong, Brad? Someone's running and jumped through here, yeah, that side is that one patch, bro.
Yeah, it looks like.
Am I
it,
wrong?
doesn't it?
It does,
Yeah,
It's gotta be.
Yeah, it does look like that.
Bro, look at the Sheffield city, this is one off Chef city.
On off.
This is a bad off.
Wait,
I don't
that-
want Hillsborough side.
Yo, that pub I go to, mate, that club I've been to a few times, it's there, you can see the roof of it.
Yeah, we're red.
Yo, a chat big hole in floor there.
No. That one we last did, yeah, when you went through it and landed on wall.
Oh, don't.
Oh my god, that was a sick that.
That will look at that.
That was a good one, that bro. So we were gonna walk all the way up.
I know, yeah. All the way here and all. Could have been a mish, wouldn't it?
This vlog's gonna be long, man.
Long vlog, innit?
Well, your longest one.
But be worth it.
But yeah, it's not 3 in 1, not 2 in 1, it's just 1.
Just one.
This is sick, this one, bro.
Just one big dirty ass
Me and you
factory.
probably should have done more talking on it though, Kyle.
You would have talked shit now to that, didn't you?
Oh, we're
I
through.
thought it'd have made it better for us. Yeah, this is that where I was saying you're up there. Look, cause
Watch floor, bro.
yeah, I know.
It's already going through.
Look, cause I reckon
mad
that
guy,
was meant to be
man.
another set of stairs.
Yo, look at all knife handles, look.
Everything.
Old knife handles.
They're all just handles, every last bit. Oh yeah, yo, this is a sick bit of history, this.
What I want to see is if we can
This
find
would
any
be one of
actual
them little oil tanks. You've ever watched that?
actual
14
blade.
fire?
Yeah, I want to see if we can find an actual blade. Like what they've made,
No,
fully.
we did obviously them downstairs.
No,
but we
but
just-
one in contact.
Oh, proper one, a good
yeah,
one.
yeah,
Still
a proper
shiny.
blade that's put together.
with an handle.
Yeah, actually
I
see.
don't think we'll find one up here though, because I think this is just handle room. Because look, how many?
Yeah, it does look like an handle room,
Just
doesn't it?
handle room, this and it. But not finished it. Look. Eh?
Red handle and not
Red
finished
one.
it.
Not finished it. Look, yeah, I found it among all these. Blanket side of this one actually. Look, perfect side.
Yeah, I'm going back round over where that
No,
floor
this is where we
fucker
come out.
No, I'm on about doing a little U-bend.
Mad fish, you know.
Mad, innit?
We've got a city.
Mad. Massive.
Found the little gingerbread.
Hey, but Devo didn't come in here.
Yeah, he is deadwood, but he's still nice as well. Because to be fair, yeah, he does have work at 10. We've still been vlogging at 10.
That way, that way.
Oh my god. Look at fucking Mr. Exploring inside, finding the steps. I'd never seen that. You walked
Straight on it.
But you're about, I've already been down and back up behind you.
Look, when you're on wood,
Yeah,
that's
you still walk
when you're on
past
wood,
it,
that's 90, 100 year old. You've got to tread it light.
1977, that paper, you know.
Trust me, right old this
We've got a
place.
sick fan.
Bro, that's where we started down there.
Yeah, that's where I went through wall when you said, look, it's like a jail cell.
No, that's a
That's where I. No, it's not, look. That's where you said, look, and I climbed through wall.
In fact, yeah, it is. Yeah, but if you look outside, that's where we started from.
Yeah, I know. This is where we're going back to because there's still another building.
Practice hitting nails.
Look at all holes where they've done it before.
Yeah, man.
Shit. Yeah, this is a sick room. Well, I'm just trying to get as much in as I can, bro.
People who have obviously been working in here.
But there's a bit of room.
Roof stripping all, it's gone in there.
Whoa!
Roof's all coming in here as well.
Look at that. Look.
Come,
Wow.
showing them up here. I'm going down. Battery life's going, people. So, hashtag vlog 32 if camera goes on us. Woo!
There's another safe near.
Yeah, they were free.
And that last part's of the building's on top anyway.
Where?
Yeah, an old safe there.
And behind you.
Another old
The old
safe.
road is free downstairs, not home.
No, in them. Safes all over in here, isn't there? There'd have been some right money in here at one point.
Indeed, bro.
Nothing. It's just like textiles rooms. Something daft like that, buffering rooms.
Just another room. Can't even workshop or something.
Another room.
I'll figure out.
Yeah, it's coming through.
Wow. Oh shit. How much that's lasting, bro.
This would have been obviously a private area then.
For people that work here.
Private area.
Look at the
Look at this.
Look at the stairs, we didn't see.
What do these say? Look at these. No. Open the eyes.
This in. What's that say?
I don't know.
Indenture.
It's in Old English. I'm not right good with Old English.
Sovereign law.
Oh god, it keeps going and going and going, this place. I'll keep saying it. Hashtag vlog 32 people. If the camera goes on us, because I'm getting warm in lights. Keep taking you through here, showing you this place. Showing them through this part very quickly. Bro, wait a minute. Another old paper.
Look, notes on door and that whose door it were. Number 53.
Another storage part. It says here,
That. What's it?
said strictly no one was allowed in here.
Apart from us. What does that say? With closed shoe. Fingers. Oh, there's another.
Definitely been organised in there. Strictly no access area. I've got the floor on that. Jesus.
Wow. Wow. Oh, floor's falling from me.
Trust me.
Yeah, there's some more upstairs, but that's like a little sneaky way out.
Just keep taking you through. It's another drop straight down. Nearly covered it now. Nearly covered it. Very nearly covered it. Just keep taking you around what battery lasts anyway. Oh, that was definitely a shaft or something where it went down. It were as well, look. Definitely. That's a good piece of history there. Just keep reminding you guys, George and Barnsley and Sons. Maybe saying it a bit wrong, but they're probably getting it bang on at the same time. Take it down here. It's just all like that. Old hammer. Want a bet? I'll be fucking doing out to get out of here.
You took us wrong way anyway, coming left.
Get last part of these parts. This in here were definitely an house part. They had their own little fire, their own little sink. Comes through there. This was some living quarters for the factory. They even had curtains up, wallpaper, old fire. Yep, definitely some living quarters. Hashtag vlog 32. The highly flammable liquids. Petroleum gases regulations 1972. So it obviously opened around 1972 times for people that don't know. I've covered up there. Covered in there. Yeah, so you got a good picture of this today, people. Hashtag vlog 32. We're making some changes for the future for you. Don't you worry about that one. Last room, take you in here and have a look in here. That actually sounds like there's power still going into it, you know. just leaked out of them. It's a bit weird, isn't it? Definitely sounds like there's power going through that. I'm gonna get out of here. That would have been all powers for factory looks of things. Now we can start heading back, showing you all that. Head to the outside of the vlog. Yo! We've covered it. So I think I'm gonna dead it out. Oh, to say.
Thanks for coming, guys.
Thanks for coming.
Come and see you next time.
But yeah, hashtag vlog 32.
Is that what it was? I would have said, but I didn't know whether it was 32 or 31.
Hashtag vlog 32. That's it. Pigeons are up there, ready for the night. It's gone out dark. We're out here till dark again. If you want to see more of me, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bum bam.
Wake up with no makeup, so far. Kiss up on them lips, girl, it's playtime. Dip, go down, dip, girl, wine. Yeah, she bad with it, like one of a kind. Skitty, bitty, bap, boom. All eyes on her when she walk in the room. All Gucci from her earrings to her shoes. Yeah, she's dangerous, dog. You should see the way she move like Girl, you could be the one for me. Eyes on your body constantly. I just want your body next to me like Ain't no telling baby what we could be. Flip-flops inside you, she and me. 10 out of 10 dog, she freaky like Yeah, she different, she ain't like the rest. Got me putting in that work, she put me to the test. She put me to the test. Bang, bang, bang down, I should've worn the vest. I should've worn the vest. No capping when I tap it, she said I'm the best. Face down when I slap it, got me squeezing breast. She got me squeezing breast. Yeah, she got me squeezing breast. Nipples on them blood clot chest. Yeah, she got me squeezing breast like Never met a girl like you before in my life. Wanna settle down with you, get back in my life. Wake up with no makeup, so far. Kiss up on them lips, girl, it's playtime. Dip, go down, dip, girl, wine. Yeah, she bad with it, like one of a kind. Okay, never met a girl like you before in my life. Wanna settle down with you, get back in my life. Wake up with no makeup, so far. Kiss up on them lips, girl, it's playtime. Dip, go down, dip, girl, wine. Yeah, she bad with it, like one of a kind.